డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈరోజు ఎపిసోడ్లో మ్యాథ్స్ 2B పేపర్కు సంబంధించి పోలార్ కోఆర్డినేట్స్ మరియు కార్టీషియన్ కోఆర్డినేట్స్కు సంబంధించి కొన్ని అంశాలను తెలుసుకున్నాం కదా. మరి ఈరోజు ఎపిసోడ్లో ఇదే టాపిక్కు సంబంధించి మరికొన్ని అంశాలను తెలుసుకుందాం. ఈనాటి క్లాస్ను మ్యాథ్స్ సబ్జెక్ట్ బోధనలో అపార అనుభవం కలిగిన జి శ్రీనివాసరెడ్డి గారు వివరిస్తారు.
Class. I am continuing the chapter polar coordinates. Now, another example. Find the foot of the perpendicular. Find the foot of the perpendicular from 1 by root 2 comma pi by 4 to the line sin theta minus cos theta equals to 1 by r. Now, given equation of the line sin theta minus cos theta equals to 1 by r and given point 1 by root 2 comma pi by 4. Now, the given straight line sin theta minus cos theta equals to 1 by r. Given point, consider P 1 by root 2 comma pi by 4. Now, required foot of the perpendicular from P on the given line. Foot of the perpendicular. Now, required the coordinates of foot of the perpendicular. If suppose consider foot of the perpendicular as A, now PA perpendicular to given line, PA perpendicular to sin theta minus cos theta equals to 1 by r. Therefore, equation of the line PA is in the form of sin theta plus cos theta equals to k by r. But it passes through the point 1 by root 2 comma pi by 4. Passes through the point 1 by root 2 comma pi by 4. Now, sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4 equals to k by 1 by root 2. Now, 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 equals to root 2 into k. Now, for implies the value of k equals to 1. Then equation of the line PA is sin theta plus cos theta equals to 1 by r. 1 by r. Now, first consider the line sin theta minus cos theta equals to 1 by r as 1. Now, sin theta plus cos theta equals to 1 by r is second line. Now, by solving 1 and 2, we get the values of theta and r. Now, from first equation, subtracting second, we get 2 cos theta equals to 0, for implies theta equals to pi by 2. The value of theta equals to pi by 2, substitute any one of the equation, 1 or 2, we get r equals to 1. Therefore, the required foot of the perpendicular of the given point P on the given line is 1 comma pi by 2. 1 comma pi by 2 is the required answer. Now, we discussed already on the straight line problems. Next, we can go to circles problems in the polar coordinates. Now, first, find the equation of the circle center at pole and radius A units. Now, required equation of the circle with center at pole nothing but origin, and radius of the circle A units, Now, required equation of the circle, center at pole, it is nothing but origin, and radius of the circle A, Now, this polar axis, O be the pole, let PR comma theta be any point anywhere on the circumference of the circle. PR comma theta be any point anywhere on the circumference. Now, the coordinates of the point P, R comma theta, then OP inclined an angle theta with polar axis and OP equals to R. Then radius of the circle A and R both are equal. Now, OP equals to A and OP is also R. Then required equation of the circle in the polar form is R equals A. Polar form of the equation of the circle R equals A. Now, the equation of the circle with the center at pole and radius R is R equals to A. Now, next one example. Now, find the polar equation of the circle whose center at pole and radius 5 units. Now, here A equals to given 5 units, means radius of the circle 5 units, center at pole nothing but origin. Then the equation of the circle is R equals to 5. Is the answer. R equals to 5. Next. Next problem. Find the polar equation of the circle which passes through pole and whose center lie on the polar axis and radius A. Units. Now, circle. First, find the equation of the polar equation of the circle which passes through pole and whose center lie on the polar axis, radius A units. Now, passes through pole nothing but origin, polar axis, center lie on the polar axis. Required equation of the circle. Now, given radius of the circle A units, then OC equals to A, then the coordinates of the point C, A, 0. Consider PR, theta be any point anywhere on the circumference of the circle. PR, theta be any point anywhere on the circumference of the circle. Now in triangle OPA, angle P equals to 90 degrees. Angle P equals to 90 degrees. Now OA is diameter of the circle, then length of the diameter equals to 2A, because given radius of the circle equals to A units, radius of the circle A units, then length of the diameter equals to 2A. Length of the diameter equals to 2A. Now the coordinates of the point P, r comma theta, then OP equals to r units, and OP inclined an angle theta with polar axis. OP inclined an angle theta with polar axis. Now in triangle OPA, cos theta equals to r by 2A. Then required equation of the circle is r equals to 2A cos theta. R equals to 2A cos theta. Example. Now find the equation of the circle passing through pole. And its center lie on the polar axis and radius 10 units. Means what is the formula? R equals to 2A cos theta. R equals to 2A cos theta. Now given radius of the circle A equals to 10, then required equation of the circle R equals to 20 cos theta. R